Magandang umaga po. Our gospel for today is from Luke chapter 24 verses 1 to 4, where the poor widow gave all her 2 coins to the temple and this was praised by our Lord. Paano nga ba nangyari na ang pagbibigay ng napakaliit na halaga ay mas kinalugdan pa ng ating Panginoon? The widow, out of her poorness, sa kabila ng kanyang kawalan, mas na-realize niya pa na may mas sigit na nangangailangan kaysa kanya. And that whatever little she had, she could still give para makatulong sa mga nangangailangan. So the Lord sees not the amount given, nor the act of giving, but the spirit behind the action. He sees the heart that could sacrifice for others, the faith that is so strong that you could allow yourself to endure with having nothing. So totoo nga po na the Lord loves a generous giver. For generosity is a clear reflection of love for others, and love for God. It is an expression of our gratitude for all the blessings that He has given us. Siyempre, acknowledging that everything that we have is ultimately a gift from Him. When we give generously, we align our hearts with God's will, trusting that His love and provision are enough to meet our every need. We could show generosity in so many ways, by offering our time, showing kindness, encouragement, and especially prayers for others. It is in these little and silent acts of service, words of comfort, and especially sacrifices that reflect the heart of a true giver. Sa panahon ngayon na everyone is busy accumulating wealth, fame, or even power, may this wisdom of the poor widow, being a generous giver, reminds us that it is in giving that we are most like Christ, and it is in generosity that our souls will find the deepest fulfillment. Nawa bawat isa sa atin ay maging taos-pusong mapagbigay, bukas palad na mapagbigay, nang tayo ay kalugdan ng ating Panginoon. Maraming salamat po. Please don't forget to subscribe on Facebook page, YouTube account, and download our Facebook apps and register at www.facebook.ph. Thank you.